There are still a few of you who do not know how to trade in the stock market. Everybody who has heard about the stock market knows what dividend is, but still there are people who do not know how you receive dividend, what is the procedure. So here I am to tell you about that. You need only one share of a company to receive the dividend. You need to be aware of the date that the company announces, which is called the ex-dividend date. So if you are holding as in if you are buying the share before the date expires, then you will receive the dividend which is announced by the company. Suppose if Reliance announces that they are going to be giving away 10 rupees dividend per share and the ex-dividend is maybe 30th June. So you need to buy the share of Reliance before of 30th June. If you buy it after 30th of June, you will not receive the dividend. Even if you are holding one share, you will still receive the dividend, which is why it is always advised for newcomers to invest in dividend oriented companies, so that even if you're not trading on a daily basis, you can make somewhat of money from these companies. If you're new, consider following Vision Shares. I'll see you next video.